This is the Eliminator Total Vegetation Killer. Now, I did an experiment so you could see just how well this works. I just kind of sprayed along this section just in a row, just so you could see this absolutely kills anything that it sprays. So you do see some green things that are growing up here. These actually grew after I sprayed, but everything here just completely died. Now, I've been using this for several years and it works fantastically well. It has the ratios on here so you know how to fill it up, but basically you just put it in a spray and then whatever foliage you spray, generally within a couple weeks, it is completely dead. Now it says you should use it for weeds that are 6 inches or under. I've used it on weeds that are much taller than that and it still works, though obviously it is going to work much better when the weed is not too overgrown. But if you are in a situation like me where your yard is just overgrown with weeds and it just keeps on reseeding and reseeding, this is absolutely going to obliterate any weed. Works really well.